Mwiriwe nanone nagira ngo bamenyeshe yuko abashyitsi bacu bahageze. Welcome them as they make their way to the pitch.
Kuri televiziyo Rwanda aho turi muri stade Amahoro ivuguruye, stade igiye gufungurwa ku mugaragaro. Muramubona rero ni nyakubahwa Perezida Paul Kagame, akaba na chairman wa RPF, akaba rero ari kumwe na Dr. Patrice Motsepe, perezida w'impuzamashyirahamwe w'umupira w'amaguru ku mugabane wa Afurika CAF. Akaba rero binjiye muri stade Amahoro mu kibuga hagati, nyuma yuko mu kanya bamaze kuyifungura ku mugaragaro. Gere rero ndi mugara ku Iteka David, ndaza kuba ndi kumwe na Uwimana Olivier. Olivier, umeze neza?
Meze neza cyane mugaragu, ntabwo nabura kumera neza. Ndi mu gikorwa remezo nk'iki ngiki, stade Amahoro ivuguruye, ibihumbi 45 n'abantu 705 bicaye neza. Nanjye ndi mu bicaye neza, aho abanyamakuru twagenewe. Meze neza, ndishimye, meze neza, nawe nizere ko meze neza.
Hanyuma rero muramubona rero nyakubahwa Perezida Paul Kagame, akaba na chairman wa RPF, ari mu kibuga hagati. Amakipe yombi, ikipe ya APR ndetse n'ikipe ya polisi, bakaba bakoze icyo nakwita nk'igice cy'uruziga kugira ngo n'ubundi bafatanye kugira ngo stade Amahoro ifungurwe ku mugaragaro. Akaba rero reka tubanze dukurikire gato umwanya wa ijambo rya Dr. Motsepe.
Hello Kigali, hello. This is one of the most beautiful, one of the best stadiums in Africa and in the world. We as Rwandese, we as Africans should be so proud and thank our president for his leadership and building the best stadium. The next time I come here, I want to see the national team of Rwanda playing against the best national team of countries in Africa. And I want to finish by saying, with your support, with your love, and with the talent, the football talent and the sports talent we have in Rwanda, we are going to win. Rwanda will win. Rwanda will be one of the best in Africa. I just want to say to my brother, President Kagame, thank you for your commitment. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your sacrifices to improve and to make the lives of our people in Rwanda amongst the best in Africa. And this beautiful stadium is a reflection of your love and your commitment to Rwanda and the people of Rwanda. Thank you very much, my brother. It's an honor to be here.
Thank you very much, Dr. Motsepe, for your opening remarks. Now I would like to invite Your Excellency for your remarks. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Mwiriwe neza mwese, mwiriwe neza. Murakoze cyane, murakoze cyane. Thank you very much. First of all, let me thank the President of CAF, my brother, Patrice Motsepe, for, together with another brother, friend, President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, the two inspired us to put up a good sporting facility for football like this one. They've done many things to support Rwanda and our other brotherly African countries, and of course beyond, to raise the kind of football through availing this kind of facility to many countries so that the young people of Africa can have where to develop and exercise the huge talent we have on our continent. In fact, this will lead to more retention of our best talent instead of exporting them all the time. But people will still remain free to go wherever they want to be, but they can also look to home for such retention and development of what they want to do. So Patrice and all of you, I want to thank you for this day, a great day for us, for Rwanda, and for football. And we will do even more and try to do better. So now there is no excuse. for our young footballing talent. You have to work hard, you have to work smart, and let's be counted among the best on our continent. So I wish you a very good evening and a very happy day. More things are ahead of us coming. So, all the best to you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your remarks. Now we have two young talents who would like an autograph from the both of you. Let's clap our hands for the young talent. Yes. Now we're moving to the most exciting part of the event, right after the picture.
Dr. Motsepe akaba perezida w'impuzamashyirahamwe w'umupira w'amaguru hano ku mugabane w'Afurika CAF, aho yashimiye nyakubahwa perezida Paul Kagame ku bw'intambwe bateye ndetse no ku bw'igikorwa remezo ndetse no kuba afasha siporo muri rusange itari hano mu Rwanda gusa no ku mugabane w'Afurika. Avuga ko ari umuntu w'icyitegererezo ndetse wo gushimirwa. Hanyuma kandi nyakubahwa perezida Paul Kagame akaba na chairman wa RPF, nawe akaba yabanje gushimira Dr. Motsepe ndetse na Gianni Infantino akaba perezida w'impuzamashyirahamwe w'umupira w'amaguru ku isi FIFA, akaba yabanje kubashimira ko ari abagabo beza